What's up everyone, hope you are doing well and welcome to the video. Today we are going to talk about Prague, a city which was the capital of Bohemian Kingdom and was home to several Holy Roman Emperors. So without further ado, let's get started. For accommodation, I would recommend you Prague Dream Hostel. It would cost you somewhere around $25 to $30 a night depending on how well in advance you book it. The bus stop is just 3 minutes walk away and the transport is just 6 minutes walk away. It is in the heart of the city center and the staff is polite and the rooms are clean. You can find the listing on booking.com and on Hostel World. The transportation in Prague is relatively cheaper as compared to other European cities. A 30-minute ticket would cost you around $1.30. A 90-minute ticket would cost you roughly $1.70. A 24-hour ticket would cost you approximately $5.10 and a 72-hour ticket would cost you around $14. You can buy the tickets from the metro stations or from the machines placed on the street. What I did was that I bought a 90-minute ticket and went to the breakfast spot. After breakfast, I went to the first touristic spot and then walked around, as Prague is explorable by feet. I would advise you to do the same and buy one ticket to go to the first touristic spot, walk around and explore Prague. At the end of the day, you buy the second ticket to go back to your accommodation. For breakfast, my recommendation would be just bagel, a place where everything is served in bagel, whether it's cheese or salmon. Or you can go to Kavarna, I hope it's the correct pronunciation, where you will find one of the good pancakes. Both of them would cost you around $5. For lunch, a vegan restaurant named Forky's would be my suggestion. Here you will find burgers and pokeballs with all you can drink option for around $8.50. For dinner, Palladium shopping mall would be my advice. Here you will find 30 restaurants to choose from, ranging from $6 to $12. You can also try to mix these options, as Just Bagel also serves lunch and dinner. Forky's can also be chosen as a dinner option and you can go to Palladium also for lunch. So try to mix these up. This is the list of what you can do in Prague for free. The first is definitely Charles Bridge. It was built by King Charles in the 14th century, hence the name Charles Bridge. The second on the list is Prague Castle. It is known as the place of power and is the office of the President of Czech Republic. The next thing on the list would be the Petrin Lookout Tower. It is the mini version of Eiffel Tower, which was built by the people who were inspired by it for a Jubilee exhibition. One thing that you cannot miss is the Old Town Square. It contains the Church of Our Lady before tin and the astronomical clock tower. Each hour, huge number of tourists gather around this tower to see a parade containing 12 apostle figures. Wenceslas Square is considered to be the shopping center of Prague, containing multiple brands like Bata and Foot Locker and having a national museum at the other end of the square. Another recommendation would be the rotating statue of Franz Kafka. Each hour, the statue starts rotating and a huge number of people can be seen there. One unique thing to find in Prague is the narrowest street. It was a fire passageway before, but now it's just a normal street. It is narrow enough for only one person to pass at a given time. Last but not the least is the dancing couple. It was built by an architect who was inspired by the dancing skills of Fred Astaire and Ginger Rogers. If you want to know a bit more detail about these places, you can click on the link in the top right corner or in the description below. Now let's see how much did it cost me for 3 nights and 2 days in Prague. My accommodation was $25 a night, so $75 in total. The transportation was $6 for both days. The breakfast was $11 for both days and lunch was around $17 for both days. The dinner costed me $13 for both days. So the total of $122 for 3 nights and 2 days in Prague. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash the like button and subscribe for more.